guys, Butler Brood back. We're gonna do some pumpkin smashing because we've got leftover pumpkins from Halloween. Obviously you've noticed the amazing Sherry Punky Brewster headband, and I'm gonna show you all some pumpkin smashing. Let's do it. No, it's because he doesn't listen. And please don't do it over there. Do it over here.
Okay. I'm gonna put
grab it.
down.
Yeah, he can go down.
I have a piece of face missing. I'm gonna get
Ready? Grab your pumpkin. Nobody's grabbing their pumpkin.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Let's see the pumpkin first.
I
They're
made
like frozen. They're not gonna smash into much.
I made another mouth. I came in like a wrecking ball.
Jeez. Oh, the whole face fell out. It just plopped.
No, the face, like, it just has a big, huge mouth now. Yeah.
It's got an open head.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't need that though, because that's not mine.
Ooh, pumpkin smashing. Layla likes the stems.
Yeah.
Okay. You can sew those on the ground, Layla. Oh.
Can it move? Oh, no, look at his face.
Ready?
John
Oh.
Cena.
Oh, jeez.
Well, it's not dying.
Ew. It's so frozen. They didn't get soft enough yet, I guess. Jesus. Layla's gonna throw some. Look, there's snow and ice on that one.
Die! Won't die.
Aw. They won't die. Ew.
Yeah.
Jacob's like, what is going on?
Jacob, you want to throw this?
Maybe we should leave him here. Maybe, well, not leave him here.
Can't throw it. Oh.
Maybe we should put them in. Xander, don't drag them all over the lawn. Can you get it and we'll put them in the corner here?
Yeah.
And when they get soft and smushy some more, we can smash them again.
Mine broke though.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah.
I just want to throw it one more time.
Okay.
Break it. Break it. Break it. That's John Cena.
Oh, you're going to do it from the
Yeah.
top again? Okay. Layla.
Mommy, I told my friend Blake-O that we had a YouTube channel.
Nice.
It's called Butler Brood.
Let's do it, Xander.
It's cool. It's cool.
Well, I mean, it's still pretty big. You could wait for it to get softer and smash it again and see if it goes.
Can you squish on it real quick?
No, I want to see if it'll go into a million places. We could do a slow motion video with it.
I would do. Like, do this. Look, fast motion first, like regular, and then I can go like. With all the pieces. Yeah.
So let's get all the pieces of the pumpkin together.
And mine. I don't care.
Just shuffle it all over there.
Go.
Thanks, Layla. You helping?
I don't have
And then as it gets softer, we can do some cool slow motion pumpkin smashing. What's up, Layla? Mama's gonna just push it all over here. Okay, leave it right here. Okay, who's getting a ride in the Pow Pow Power Wheels?
Yeah.
Yay, you want to ride? Let's see, Sissy can give you a ride. You want to ride in the Pow Pow Power Wheels? You want to ride in the Power Wheels?
Gotta go get that.
Okay, let's check this puppy out. We might need a cloth to dry the seat up. Oh,
get a towel for it.
maybe, yeah, maybe. I'm gonna have a ride. Oh, the baby's gonna have a ride in the Power Wheels. A little bit of water in here. Oh, you could have got like a paper towel to just clean off these wet stuff. Okay. Do they both fit in here with you still, you think?
Yeah.
Nice. Layla gets a ride. Jacob gets a ride.
Say it right. I'm gonna go get the battery now.
Oh, yeah. We've got a little parking lot here. Got the red flyers, radial flyer, red wagon, and
Yeah.
you want to sit down and then the baby can sit next to you and Sissy?
What?
Uh-oh. No mittens? Your
It's here.
hands are gonna freeze.
It's here.
Do you want help?
No. I don't understand. Yeah.
Okay. Can we put them in here?
Yeah.
Storage. Oh, it's wet in there. Nope. We'll just sit with them. We'll just put them in the wagon. How about that?
No.
Oh, not good enough?
Look at here. Battery is heavy.
Yeah, the battery is heavy.
Layla, you want to get in? Yeah. Get Jacob.
Got it, Layla?
This will work. I'll just get him after.
Ooh.
You're still getting in.
He's gonna get a ride too. Oh, it's gonna be a tight fit. Bye. Beep, beep.
I can't see where the pedal is heading.
There you go.
I forget driving this.
Bye.
I can't drive this thing. I can't feel it.
Now push it forward. Yep. There.
It's heavy. Jacob.
Bye. See you later. He says number one. Number one. Yay, no more leaves on the trees to rake. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We should probably just mow a little bit, I suppose. Chop all those leaves out. Screaming. It's screaming in pain. I can't do it.
I'll take it from me.
Alright, everybody. Thanks for being here today. We'll see you all later. See you, Brother Brood Crew out.